Hello, I'm Steve, this is Bit of Munch, and I've got a really unusual flavour of crisps here today. You know what it is, you've seen the title. Lidl Deluxe Baked Camembert and Hot Honey Hand-cooked potato crisps. A flavour explosion of hot honey balanced with creamy camembert. These were $1.25 by the way, from Lidl. Now, hot honey, I've never heard of it. Is it a thing? I mean, to me, my immediate thought is spicy honey. And going by the flavour of the pack as well, orange, hot, spicy, flames, you know. I could be wrong, I don't know. Hot honey might be a really well-known thing. Or it might be something that Lidl have just invented. I don't know. I know what camembert tastes like. I know what honey tastes like, but hot honey? Now, I've already looked at the ingredients, and it doesn't seem... I was expecting to see something like chilli. But the only thing I can see on the ingredients that might have any slight bit of heat is cayenne pepper. I mean, it says flavourings, hot honey flavoured seasoning. So that might have some sort of chilli in it. I don't know. We'll find out. Doesn't give you any clue on the bump on the back here, all the random words. No. So, let's have a go. Don't smell them much. I just smell of potatoes. Okay. Now I don't know why, but these look like really good quality crisps. I know that's a really strange thing to say, but they look like good quality crisps. Have a good look. Have a sniff. Go on. Yeah. Okay. Baked camembert and hot honey. Well, they're unusual. They're more cheesy than I expected. Obviously there's some sweetness there, and there is some heat. They're quite crunchy. And they do feel, somehow they feel like good quality crisps. But I don't know if I like them. They're so strange. I think I like them. I mean, I like cheese flavour. That's a big one, look at that. I like a little bit of heat. Well, I like a reasonable amount of heat, but not mega spicy. Sweetness, yeah, that's good. I can't get that in my mouth. Can I? Go on, Steve, of course you can. I say I'm not sure if I like them, but but I want to carry on eating them. Right, fairly cheesy. As I said, more cheesy than I expected. A bit of sweetness there, but it's definitely a honey sort of sweetness, and some heat, some spicy heat. Oh, it looks like loads stuck together here. That could be really crunchy. Right, I'm going to delve to the bottom of the bag. Quite often, crisps at the bottom have more flavour, don't they? I think what I'll say is unusual in a good way. Cheesy, honey sweetness, little bit of heat, which has built a bit but not a huge amount. Very unusual. And as I said, I want to keep eating them. They're a weird one, they really are. Yes, I like them. I've decided I do like them. Because they're different. And I've listed all the things, the flavours, and there's nothing there I don't like. So, yes, therefore, I must like them. So I do. Have you tried them? More importantly, is hot honey a thing? I don't know if it is. I thought of Googling it before I tried these, but I thought, no, I'll let my wonderful viewers do that for me. And you can educate me about hot honey. Right, one more. Now, would I buy them again? Yes, but not very often. And having said that, I can't remember if these were on a when it's gone, but most things in Lidl are when it's gone, aren't they? So, but having said that again, Lidl repeat their offers, don't they? So, although these might be sold out now, if you go in there, in 6 months' time, they could well reappear again. So, I will keep an eye out for them. I really will. Yeah. Interesting one, that. I've enjoyed trying them, and I'm going to enjoy eating some more of them. So, yeah, educate me about hot honey. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.